As the first light creeps across Africa's endless plains, a quiet figure emerges from the shadows. The jackal, a clever and adaptable canid wandering the wildlands of Africa and Eurasia. For centuries, the word jackal described many wild dogs. But today it belongs to just three remarkable species: the black-backed and side-striped jackals of Central and Southern Africa, and the golden jackal, roaming from Europe to the edges of Asia. Masters of survival, jackals are opportunists, hunters, scavengers, and family animals who thrive beside lions, leopards, and humans alike. Like and subscribe.